that on my shoe? Huh? Now, which one's that one? The one that's jumping towards you? The one that was on my shoe?
Which one?
That one right there.
This one?
Uh-huh.
This is Sprinkle Sting.
Oh, okay.
I think that's Dot Dot. She doesn't get
got back over there
she?
on it. I said the other day when I saw him and the other one in the picture with that ball, I said, he's acting like, I think that's his ball. I'm videoing. Now, who just got in there with him?
That is, I think it's King.
Oh, okay. He's got the darker, browner face. Is that?
Because this is Sandy.
Okay.
She's a little girl. She's got that little mark on her head.
Mm-hmm.
And he's got the solid head.
Okay, and this is King.
That's King.
Alrighty.
Sprinkle Sting.
This one?
Yep.
Okay. Hey. That's my son. It's my phone.
Oh, I don't have a phone.
I know.